How to delete an IMDb account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete an IMDb account permanently. Now if you're wondering how you can delete your account, it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. Now first things first, you want to open up your browser on any of your device and you want to search in for IMDb as I've done so on the screen. Here you can see the very first link, IMDb, and you want to head into it and you want to make sure you're logged into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in. What you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can see the three different options: search icon, profile icon, and the language icon. The English it says. You know, simply tap on the profile icon there, and there what you want to do is you can see various options. You can see your activity, your watch list, your ratings, your list, account settings, and sign out. Simply tap on account settings option. Now if you don't want to delete your account, you just want to sign out, you can simply sign out. If you want to delete your account permanently, simply tap on account settings option, and once you do so, here you can see account settings, and at the very last option you can see delete account. You want to simply tap on delete account option, and you want to tap on permanently delete my account, and once you tap on it here, you can see you have successfully deleted your account. So this way you can easily delete your IMDb account permanently. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.